I'm quite happy to sort of put these creatures out and for them to have a life of their own. I usually start with the pattern in the middle, which is like a focal point to pull your eye in. And then I carry on the pattern sort of on the legs in quite a sort of symmetrical way and merge the feet into the carpet so that you kind of almost can't see where it's coming out. Then I'm left with lots of bits that still need to be covered, and I can just use virtually any sort of little scraps of the same carpet to cover those bits up, and your eye just pulls it all together.